Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Marley and I are out here doing some shooting. I figured I'd bring you along, show you what we're up to. I've got the Umarex Origin in 25 caliber. I just received this. It puts out about 50 foot-pounds. It's kind of a budget-friendly gun. All in with the scope, I think it's just about 400 bucks. And so it is affordable. We're going to ultimately get this out. We're going to do some hunting with it, and I will bring you guys along for that. But we're just going to do some shooting with it. I got the new Brimstone slugs. These are 34.89 grains, and they do show some promise. I got a target out here at 65 and 100 yards, and we're just going to kind of see what this can do and have some fun. So I do have a lot of experience with the 22 caliber version of the Origin. I really enjoyed carrying that gun out in the field. It was lightweight, you know, real no nonsense type gun, very simple in design, you know, a side lever, Picatinny top rail. It has no regulator and it fills to 250 bar. Now, unregulated guns do have a sweet spot. The 22 caliber version liked between 2800 and 3100 psi, and so I'd always fill, you know, no more than that, and that way I was able to get a good amount of consistent, accurate shots. And so that's one of the reasons we're out here kind of shooting at various ranges today. I'm getting used to it and really just finding out what it likes to be filled to. For as inexpensive as the Origin is, you know, I am pretty impressed with the performance you get out of it. It is a gun that you can just fill, you can take it out, it's going to work. There's not a whole lot that can go wrong with it, and it's a simple gun to work on if you need to. And those are things that I like in budget-friendly guns. You know, something that you can pick up, you can get some air in it, load your magazine, and you're good to go. You know, a lot of people, you know, feel as though you got to spend a lot of money to get out and do some hunting. Now, this gun puts out about 50 foot-pounds, which for me is more than adequate to get out to, you know, 75, 100 yards. Anything more than that, I'd probably want just a little bit more power. But there's no doubt this will probably take coyote-sized game at fairly close range with a well-placed shot. So far, I really like the Brimstone line of pellets and slugs. Umarex did send me a lot of them, which we will be testing, and I'll put together a dedicated video. I think it's important to have different brands of pellets and slugs on the market, and so far I think the quality of these is pretty good. They're manufactured out of Brazil by a company called Rifle. But for today, I wanted to get the Origin out. I wanted to find its sweet spot, really where it likes to be filled and where I'm going to get the most consistent accuracy. But so far, these slugs are showing a lot of promise, and I think with a little bit more work and practice, I can get them to shoot even better. So I really hope you guys enjoyed coming out here with Marley and I today. We had some fun with the Origin. It was nice to get some practice in. We did have a little bit of wind, but as I mentioned, you know, it's kind of important to practice and that sort of thing, because that's kind of normally how it is out in the field. But I will leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. We are going to get this out. We're going to do some hunting with it, which you guys will probably see a video of in the next week or so. But I really appreciate Umarex kind of stepping up, sending us this gun, and that way we can bring you some more content on some budget friendly guns. But I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.